Computer servo-controlled CNC-type thin-blade slitting creasing machine. Equipped with an advanced computer servo control system for stable and precise operation. 1 key change order. Change order time 2.4S. It is very suitable for small batch order production. High-precision servo positioning. It ensures consistent slitting, width and perfect edge quality even at high running speed. The synchronous creasing system works seamlessly with slitting. It produces clear, uniform and deep creases without damaging the paper surface, making folding and box forming much easier and more accurate. The thin-blade slitting unit delivers clean, smooth and burr-free cutting. Ideal for carton packaging, corrugated paper and paperboard processing. Welcome to contact us for more details and quotations.